Hey, how's it going, everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing, and the unboxing that I'm going to be doing is for this Elgato Cam Lin 4K. So nonetheless, let's go right ahead and get this started. Okay, so here we have the Elgato Cam Lin 4K. So this is the front of the box. This is one side of the box. The other side, which would be in the box, so we do have the Cam Lin 4K, and we do have a USB 3.0 extension cable. This is the back of the box, so here we go. So nonetheless, let's go right ahead and get this open. All right, so let's take a look. So there we go. So we are greeted with, of course, the Cam Lin and the USB extender. So from the looks of it, we do have download Elgato 4K capture utility to get started. Of course, download link would be right here. So nonetheless, yeah, let's go right ahead and take a look at this Cam Lin. So here we have the Cam Lin. So it is a USB 3.0 to HDMI. So nonetheless, there we go. And we do have the USB 3.0 extension cable. And we do have, it looks like an Elgato sticker right here. It looks to be, we got some documentation / manual. So nonetheless, that is the end of this unboxing. Alrighty, everybody, so that is the end of this video. I'm really anxious to go right ahead and get this connected. Currently, I was actually recording via my webcam, so I actually bought this Elgato Cam Lin to go right ahead and connect my GoPro and see if the quality actually improves, but we shall see exactly how that goes. Nonetheless, I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and we will catch you on the next one.